Hello, Mud Paranormal. It's John here. There's Neil. He's getting his two hickeys together. Beautiful night. Let's get a second here. Neil's going to do his intro.
Good evening, YouTube! It's Mud Paranormal and Explorations coming at you. So,
hot as flip.
Yeah, it's pretty hot out right now.
Yeah.
And,
dripping.
So, we're going up to Nose Hill.
Kind of a late start again tonight.
Yeah, it is a Friday.
It is Friday. Late start.
We're gonna see if we can find the other medicine wheels up here and have a great little journey.
Yeah, we want to stop off the other ones too and see if we get the same shit.
Yeah. See if we get the same hocus pocus from that.
Yeah, well, if you guys remember the last time we were up there, I was having a lot of video problems because I was an idiot. My own fault for it. And it was always right by the medicine wheel, the bigger one. And then Neil went to the other one, the smaller one that's up on the ledge, way up yonder up there. You can see my finger. And his shit started acting up. So,
yeah, it was like the same thing happened with my mic as his mic.
Yeah.
And it was
quite
it was pretty crazy. It looks like some other bald guy up there is just fucking staring at us and shit.
Most likely. Who cares?
So,
Mud Paranormal.
Yeah, check us out on YouTube.
Yep. So we're back here. Last week we got it close to an area that's by our place. This week another close area towards our place. Due to the fact of being Friday, it's now 7:15, so we're getting another late start. So by getting to these closer spots to our place, at least we get you guys some sort of material that you will like.
Yeah, we have more time, pretty much.
Yeah, more time to screw around. We're not rushed.
Yeah, we're not so rushed because we're not so far from the house. And yeah, so like we said, we're gonna try and find these other two medicine wheels. If not, we'll go to the other two we found originally and see what happens there again.
Yeah, and see what other kind of shit we can come up with.
At least we know how to go about them now.
Yeah.
So we won't be walking in them wrong.
I won't pull a stupid ass move.
Although I don't know I don't know what time of day the one is and what side we should be going in on. So yeah. Other than that, we're gonna enjoy us hiking around and causing some shenanigans like we always do.
Yeah. And you know what? I want to say we have a fan that's on Facebook. Actually, a couple that, anytime we have anything that we post, they're right in it on the comment section. So, you know what? Awesome. Thank you. We appreciate it. The communication between everybody, it's awesome. Yeah. You guys ever have questions of where we're at, what's going on with what we're doing at the certain said location, by all means, just ask. Yeah. We have no issues responding. But scammers, they'll fuck off.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
It's right off.
Hence why we don't touch our DMs very much. Because that's all it's filled with. So,
yep.
To the scammers, y'all fuck off.
And from my last video, it won't be posted because my old phone broke and I can't get it off of there. So sorry, I did get a new one, which I'm using now. This one will be up on YouTube and probably most likely on Facebook. Other than that,
Instagram.
That too. Other than that, enjoy. And like we always say, smash the like button, comment, subscribe. And if you see or hear anything that we don't,
let us
know
know.
What to do.
Let us know.
All right. So.
Yeah, I did. It was bad. Yeah, it was. I do apologize. hopefully this video, guys, I'm not going to have ass shot of Neil like the whole damn thing.
Let's hope there's no ginger ass in it.
It's kind of predatorial. But we're looking right now for the other 2 medicine wheels that are up here. We know the 2. We have basic knowledge of where to go if we need to get there tonight.
Yep.
But right now, we are hoping to find the other 2. I have read up on it. There is 4 here in total. But there's like no placement of where any of it is. This is an unknown area for us. We haven't been in this part. It's kind of nifty.
Any photos or anything like that of these other 2?
No. And I apologize if my audio is kind of messed up.
Me too.
I don't have my mic in. I'm more worried about having really bad static frequency come through because of the wind. So I figure I'd just do it off of this, and well, you guys are gonna have to make do.
Well, I got my mic in. I hope it doesn't start switching my phone out again. It was doing that earlier.
Yeah, Neil's phone was having seizures.
So,
Are we going all the way down there, or? I'm just wondering.
where do you want to go through that?
There's a couple pathways. You see a path, you might as well try it. You never know what it could lead to. Okay, I gotta turn my camera. Sorry folks, I just got a stick in the eye. Not really much of a path, I guess, through here. My senior eyeballs. Alright folks, quick little bit here. Apologize for the flipping wind. Yeah, it's sunny, you can't tell. That's all over there. Anywho, pretty much journeying. Sucks.
Called the Ritchie side because there's porta potties.
Where we go, Center and 64th, it's a flipping parking lot. No, parking lot. Come over this one, got a fucking porta potty. It's got freaking pathways. We have a pathway that's got cardboard in it. For Christ's sakes, a cardboard. But right now, we're just venturing on, still looking. A funny feeling, very soon we'll be turning to the other ones. I just have this feeling. But, I wanted to do a quick video for you guys. Show you whereabouts we are. Let you know about where we are. I think we scared some people. But so far, there was it's no been a real try for anything spiritual. It's been a bloody exploration. So, but we hope the next go around is a Saturday. And we plan goodness. You know what I mean? So, got some pictures already done. Stuff like that. So, keep posted. Once again, I'm going to annoy the living shit out of you like Neil does. You know what you need to do? If you're watching me on Instagram, if you don't got Facebook, go to Facebook. If you're watching on Facebook, you don't have Instagram, go to Instagram. Next thing you need to do, go to YouTube, hit up both my page, Neil's page, subscribe, smash that like button, share it, do all them good things. Alright? Enjoy. Alright, well, I'm going to video this way.
I figured, why not do a video? And hopefully, got my fingers crossed, you and you
Oh,
can hear me.
yeah, because I don't have my mic plugged in, and if I do, it's going to be just brutal. More than it's going to be now.
Yeah,
I have to invest in a
you guys are getting it. Mic's in.
windproof mic.
Mike is in, folks. So you know.
But
Loud, real loud.
yeah. But so yeah, here we are.
This way. Not so. Go ahead.
As you can see, we're still going.
Going. Just keep going.
Yeah.
Like the Energizer Bunny. Keep on going.
And like I said, I do apologize for the wind, but yeah, we're just gonna have to deal with it. Right now, you're getting better sound quality out of what you got now compared to my actual mic. It's very finicky.
I don't know what you're getting right now. So.
Here it is.
I haven't watched it yet, so sooner or later I'm just going to end up choking on the wind.
Yeah. We did see one deer
Yeah,
so far.
way back there.
I want to check this sign to see where we're at.
Nobody cares.
I'm just curious.
Well,
Neil.
check it out, right?
Can be a dick.
Oh, a-hole.
Yep. He's got the a-hole disease.
A-hole disease. Slight sarcasm. Entering off-leash area.
Pew, 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 pew. I had to. We are.
Oh,
Holy. We're here.
see that?
This is where we started.
Yeah,
Here.
we were here.
Started.
Now we're here.
Yeah. And we did some bushing.
Yeah, it was.
Which way do you want to go? This way, this way?
We did get into some real thick bush.
The stuff sucked. But
Yeah,
it was fun.
it was great.
You'll see in a couple photos that we got about it.
Yeah,
Hopefully this way, folks.
maybe.
The wind isn't so bad. So, there's a joke that we have in Canada. Now, Alberta, we have the Rocky Mountains and everything, right?
Over there.
Which is over yonder there, in behind where the clouds and stuff are back there. Now, this here is what we call Saskatchewan.
No.
Flat. You see for miles and miles and miles.
This is not Saskatchewan.
Or I'm saying like the land base, the way it is, how flat.
Like that. That'd be like Saskatchewan.
Yeah. It's hilarious.
Freaking house. 5 miles away.
Yeah.
That would be ridiculous.
And back on the yonder over here is Paskapoo. I don't know why I emphasized on the poo, but I did. It's there.
Over there.
So the end of that one is over here. So pretty much we've got just the corner pieces over here that we haven't touched. That's crazy.
Yep. The only part of those hills we haven't touched.
Yeah. And like this side's not bad. You feel awkward in here. Over here because you get all the Richies.
Over here.
Nope.
Normally we're way over there.
You know what? I'm kind of happy that we're avoiding that over there right now.
That valley?
Yeah. Not lying. That
valley's fun.
It's fun, but right now it's actually fairly quiet up here. Yeah. Thankfully. So, you know, early. Okay, so just to keep the funny stories going for tonight. At the beginning of the night, we got to a certain spot and we just started yelling out obscenities. Random obscenities. And we were going for a good, half hour? And then Neil and I, we looked behind us. There's these two people in the distance stopped dead in their tracks.
Oh, yeah.
And because the way we are, we're just having fun. We continue to yell more obscenities. So that's been part of our night tonight, having fun. Just randomness.
There's also that one point where we were yelling it, and you could hear background.
Yep.
Back.
Yeah.
At one point, I think it's going to have an argument.
It was like probably a 7-8-year-old little girl that he's having an argument with in a yelling match.
Like every time I'd yell, they'd yell back.
So
awesome.
We're having our fun, you know, doing our thing, having our fun. That's what matters.
There's that one guy. We must have scared the poop out of this guy. He was looking down, wasn't even acknowledging us.
Nope.
And then he gets up the other side of this valley and speeds up.
Yep.
He's like, I'm fucking scared. Then we come out of the bush, and there's a colored man walking the pathway. And John, we got birds. So
birds.
Guy got a little creeped out.
Yeah.
We were some redneck hillbilly.
Who knows?
Getting head neo-Nazis or some shite.
No, we're just really warm Canadians trying to get a cooler head.
It's hot.
But in all true honesty, I'm just bald. We're going bald.
Bald too, folks.
I started getting the toilet seat ring, so I was like, that's enough. I gotta get rid of it.
I've been doing this for a while. Just every so often I can throw it out and leave it because I'm lazy.
Yeah.
Like my beard. Lazy.
Now, folks, if you're not from Calgary, you wouldn't realize that this place that we're in is actually in the city. It's actually within the inner city.
Inner city, all right. It's almost smack dab in the middle.
Yeah.
Almost. But we thought it was the dollar point.
Nope.
Boy, were we ever wrong.
Yep. Took us on more of an adventure.
Yeah.
Alright, just doing a quick vid. Showing you guys. Sunset back over in there. We are still making our adventure rounds. There's Neil here. Hello. Hello. You know, there's so much area up here, you can walk and walk and walk. To be honest.
Yeah.
Over there, down yonder over there, you'll find Pascapoo. where we were 2-3 weeks ago. And then behind, you'll see, well, get that out of there. On the ridge over here, that's the mountains, the Rocky Mountains. That just goes to show you how close we are actually to the mountains, which I think is pretty cool. I don't know, will it leave you later? No, it does. Oh, look at here. So, like I said, back there, you'll see. Oh, that's creepy. My fingernail, like, it's huge. But you see that ridge there of the mountains. That's our Rocky Mountain, which is nice. We have it pretty much in our backyard. So down there is a deer. I don't want to create an issue with it, so I'm going to keep my distance, be respectful. Figure give you guys a video of the deer. It's not every day you get to see, you know, the wildlife and everything like that. So. We try to keep our distance with them due to the fact that before we actually had one charge at us, so instead of taking them off, I figure I would be nice and not, sorry guys, and, intrude. See if I see anyone. Gorgeous area. It's peacefully out, having a bite to eat. The other one now is taken off down the other side of the embankment. Sorry guys. Some shoddy camera work by me. This is one of the things that you get to see up here, is the wildlife. Seems all the wind has died down a bit for us. I figure jump back on, do another quick video for you guys. It's had a fun encounter in Porcupine. Big one. Neil got close enough to it.
Yep.
So.
Not close enough to get shot with any quills.
And I made myself go back more. Getting shot with quills is not my preferred choice.
No, I was going to take that risk.
But here we are, still venturing.
Yep.
Still going.
We're almost coming too close.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll definitely have to take some more pictures before we get out of here. But this is as basic as an exploration video you're gonna get from us as you can get. This happened, so. Big.
Big pork pie. I decided to kind of walk forward it, and then we both kind of split off the path. John went a little deeper into the grass than I did.
Yep. I was messing around.
Yeah, I was going to take that risk in John's video, so that's half of mine.
Yep.
And, yeah, it was great. We're good to see that. We're still on our journey.
This is where the section of the deer. Yeah. If you go into one of my previous videos from tonight, this was the area where Neil and I got chased by deer.
I was up by the bend here.
Yep. Somehow, somebody, they were just not very happy.
Yeah, they did not want us around at all.
Nope.
But we've come across a few today.
Yeah, got some photos.
Good cards.
But this is now Nose Hill at night. Ish.
It is 10
It's
something.
10:30 now,
Yeah.
so.
No. And by far, I think this is the best side in Nose Hill.
Yeah.
I'll fight you on it. Fight you. Right here, right now. This is still the best out in North Hill.
Right here, right now.
You guys, you'll see in the earlier part of the video, it's kind of blur until we start venturing off into the bushes.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's kind of like
There's not,
blurry.
and there's not much path in those bushes either.
No,
So you don't get a lot of people who venture off path over there.
I guess they're going with that vote feet thing.
Yeah.
Stick to the designated path.
Whereas Neil and I, we like to go off path.
Yeah.
You get to see more.
Mother Nature, man. Like,
Yep.
you think these paths were around back then? No.
Like path there, path back there.
And all these paths were man-made anyways.
Yep. And this just shows people going off path all the time, you know, adventuring in.
Yeah, you can see more.
You got to keep your eyes open for wildlife, yes.
Oh yeah, they're home too.
But overall, this side of Nose Hill kills it.
Yeah, still way better. I might never go back to that side. So.
Yeah, it was. And it's like we said before, it's got its good points. But
Yeah.
then the overall of it, it was just, it's, oh, there goes my light. Oh, I don't need it.
Yeah.
But the overall was blah.
Yeah. Like I say, you'll see in earlier video compared to then and now. And yeah, it's like
Pathway over there. Yeah. Over there is flat land. Back in here, this is just, it's like a forest.
this half of Nose Hill is the best half.
Yeah, it's like, you feel like you're in the mountains when you're up here sometimes. Depending on the area you're in.
There was that one area over there that it
In the bush.
the mountains in the bush.
Yeah.
Because how thick, and the one spot is just like you were in the mountains.
Mm-hmm.
It was cool. Like I said, it had its perks.
Yep.
It really wasn't all that good.
No, I like Neil. This is my favorite side as well. You've got the two medicine meals. Unfortunately, it's running a bit late. We didn't get a chance to
Yeah, we'll see when,
go venture over, so we want to get back and get to those.
yeah.
Spend some time there.
At least we know where those are.
Yeah.
And with the other two,
There was a lot of walking to do to get to in areas where we thought possibly could be.
for all we know, they're all on this side.
Yeah.
They were looking for cover, or
We were probably sitting, we were saying about 85% covered.
I'm gonna mark that about 5-minute, 10-second mark. My camera was blurry. I think it was 5 minutes, 10 seconds. Well, probably not. It might be like 25 minutes and 55 seconds.
Something.
But
Pay attention.
just remember this part of the video, Neil, and I'll mark it then. Because yeah, that was weird. Just went blurry and wouldn't clear up. But anywho, we were talking about the medicine wheel.
Yep. Neil just went off track.
Yeah. Well, that kind of stuff happens, but
Pretty much. Another path going in. This is Crow Valley.
oh, well,
It's kind of creepy when you go in there because they're just all in the branches looking at you, judging you. They judge people, I'm not lying.
I do. They remember you.
Yep.
Remember your face.
And same with
Magpies.
magpies. And not it, speaking of magpies. So where Neil and I work, we ship out racks out to customers. They're 18 feet, blah blah blah. Sometimes because they're stored outside, you get nests on them.
Yep.
I shipped a magpie nest, BC. I didn't want to take the thing off because it was heavy, and it was a nest, and I didn't want to take a chance of eggs being in there. So I figured I'd be a nice guy, get them to a warmer climate. So hopefully those magpies are happy. So I thought of them.
Apparently they're relatives.
No, they for a good solid months after. solid months after, they would nosedive in the machine that I'd be driving. So you'd have that. It was fun. So there's downtown Calgary over there. Doo-doo-doo. They got the Hawks helicopter out now. I think we are nearing the finish line, right? We're nearing the finish line, right? Fucking take this path up, I guess.
Might as well.
So, yeah, we're just doing our little journey. Making our way back. So I hope you enjoyed the chat with Neil and John. A little extra something for you guys in the videos for who actually watches. Huh? Yeah. That is. That's crazy. Mine's like the natural.
You got like almost a natural color. I was like, I'm gonna fake it until I make it.
This is gonna make me famous. And then there's part of the city outlook over there. Over there. It's a scary factor.
Where my hood is. Fucking fashionista right here, guys.
See, mine doesn't have an option to flip. Mine's got an option to take a picture while recording.
Yeah, mine has that too.
This is BS.
I got both of them. I can flip it and take a picture. But I figured right now you guys should stare at my face again.
Well, hello folks. This is the end of the night. Didn't get as much pictures as I wanted to, but did a lot of exploration side of it. So there's gonna be more videos of with the walks and certain scenery that you guys get to see. So it's gonna be kind of cool that way. Neil's just gonna jump on here.
Sure I am.
Opening your video. Why to give him all the attention?
I want all the attention. Do your own damn video.
I have been. I'm 30 seconds in, bud.
Jesus, bud. So,
You're a little anal tonight, but
No.
it's all good.
now we're back at the grad.
Yep.
We're gonna see my fish. So, we did our journey. It was an exploration video. And, people.
Yep.
Yeah. So we totally did our journey and exploration. I just said that.
Mm-hmm.
So we walked a good majority of this hill.
Yeah, we're up to 85% done now, I think.
I'm pretty sure
That's
real close
Yeah.
to 85. Judging by where we walked today and where we've been before. I'm thinking there's only a little bit left of this hill.
Yeah.
We've seen porcupines, we've seen some crows, big swarm of crows diving at something.
Yep. It was quite interesting to see. Saw some deer.
Yeah, we've seen some deer.
Didn't do anything really trying and spiritual tonight, unfortunately, but our next outing we'll most likely be doing it. So
Oh, well. Might be back to regular scheduled programming.
yeah, hopefully Saturdays. So, but that's it for me for the night. For myself, for Neil. Hit up our YouTube. Give us a comment. Give us a like. Smash it.
Smash the like.
Share the living shit out of it.
Yep.
And follow us on all aspects of media. Facebook, Instagram, obviously YouTube. So, do your part. Hopefully you guys enjoy. And have a good night. We'll talk to you all later. Cheers.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.